Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am going to be doing a double plan with me in my Tilly Journals Flexi Functional B6 Coil Planner. So like the last time, I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to let you guys see me kind of putting down what I would say is the base, which is basically some full boxes, headers, washi and boxes, and a few happy trackers. I do use foil icons in this planner. In future I don't think I'm going to put the foil icons down until the actual day I'm doing it, just because sometimes plans change, and for this planner I'm using it solely for functional purposes, so I'm doing things very much in advance. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So for the first part of this plan with me, I'll be using this kit or page from the Sugary Girl shop sticker book with Paper House Productions. I believe this is the Sticker Girl sticker book. I guess that was what it's called. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me doing that. I'm using some bottom washi from Scribble Prints Co and from Once More with Love, and some foil icons from Paper Sheet Plans and and GP Studio. Yeah, and I had a lot of fun using this. And then I used the Rose Colored Days header tapes for this. So I used the white underlays and then I used the silver foiled overlays. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be back to talk about the second spread. So that's the first spread done. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a wiggle to see all that silver foil sparkling there. So for the next spread, I am using a 4-box page from Simply a Mess, and it was in the grab bag that from my first purchase. I believe it was Love in Paris or something like that, so it was kind of like a lovey-dovey wintry Paris theme. And the reason I use that for this week, because even though it's not February yet, this is my anniversary week, so I thought, why not start the love theme? So I'm using those 4 boxes. And then I'm also using some extra boxes from here and there. And then the bottom washi that I ended up using was from not Rose Colored Days. It was in Rose Gold, but it was from Once More with Love. And then the date covers are from Lily Blossom Designs, and they're like a kind of blush colour with rose gold foil. And I just used some spare habit trackers from my reusable sticker book, as well as all the other boxes and stuff that I use are leftovers, mostly from like leftover kits is why I keep them. And those foiled heart checklists are from Panda Bear Designs. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch me put down this spread. The foil icons are from either GP Studio or a shop that I wouldn't suggest it to you, because the foiling wasn't very good. So you might see some of the foiling that has a lot of black spots in it. That's a shop I don't really suggest, but I need to use it because I bought it. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch me put down the spread.